Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. Today I will be starting a new series called Tasha's Kitchen where I will be sharing recipes, tips and tricks when it comes to cooking. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. All the products that I use I will link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Today I will be preparing chicken in the air fryer. You can also make this chicken in the oven, it's optional. So you're firstly gonna start off with defrosted chicken. Please make sure that your chicken is defrosted. Next I will be rinsing the chicken. You could add some lemon juice to your water when rinsing your chicken. Next, I will be seasoning the chicken. You could use any seasoning of your liking. Please just don't over season the chicken. Alsjeblieft toch mensen. I'm now going to place the chicken in the air fryer and then I will leave it in there for about an hour. I set the air fryer to a little bit more than 180 degrees Celsius. This is how the chicken looks at about 15 minutes in, and then Eskom decided to give us load shedding for 4 hours and I was so hungry. Then at about 30 minutes in, you want to flip the chicken over so that it can fry on the other side. And after an hour, you have delicious chicken. And thank you so much for tuning in to Tasha's Kitchen. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.